Hello and welcome to my woodworking channel. I'm Sirk Eibner and I'm doing yacht service and also art. I'm 39 years old. I work here in the harbor since 2016. This is the harbor, Marina San Miguel. Back there is Montaña Rojo. And up here is El Teide, the highest mountain of Spain. So I've been working since 2016 here. In 2020 with the COVID, I had to leave. I had to go back to Germany and I tried my best there, but didn't work out. I love to be here. It's sun is shining, the ocean out there. A lot of wind. I love kite surfing and that's a perfect place here. So I came back and I'm trying to open up my woodworking shop again and my yacht service, and yeah, I would like you to follow me and see how it goes. I came here with nothing, so actually you follow somebody who is really building up something from zero. A few weeks ago I didn't have no food, nothing to eat, and no motivation. But now I got some jobs and step by step, I'm getting back here. So enjoy and see you soon.